presented by MX3.
More than skills, it is passion inside one's heart that truly dictates success. And just like in cooking, it's the heart that makes any dish delectable and outstanding. And Jury Domino has this exact recipe, a perfect blend of skills, passion, and dedication.
I'm Jury Domino, a caterer and a body combat instructor.
Jury's childhood playground was their kitchen.
Since I was a kid, my parents were always busy, so I'm left alone in the house. What I do is I just took it as a hobby at first. I did not study culinary, but I took that passion and I was enjoying, and I love food so much. My influence is my mom, my wind beneath my wings. She's my #1 food critic.
With his degree in business management and his 5-year work experience in a 5-star hotel, Jury became equipped with the knowledge, skills, and motivation to come up with his own food business in 2008.
My big break was able to send a proposal to a big corporation here in Manila, and I was able to cater for 1,000 people. Sooner, everything went very successful.
He was so surprised when his small restaurant turned into a big catering business that he has managed for 7 years.
It was fun, but actually, when you're in that business, it was so taxing. Imagine, from preparing the food, you have to plan it out. And at the same time, when everything is set, I have to go to the event venue itself to prepare the tables, the chairs, even to the smallest details, the decorations. It's very tiring, sleepless nights, I get some insomnia.
And while Jury's business entails indulging people with gastronomic opulence, it is quite ironic that his part-time job makes people lean, fit, and strong.
I'm here at the gym, so right now I'm going to do a body combat class. And join me later, you're gonna see me unleash my power.
Jury has been a licensed body combat instructor for 15 years now.
Well, I started body combat around 2005, and it's one way for me to distress. I teach 5 times a week at the gym for an hour. You cannot look sluggish in the stage, so you have to be at your best. So sometimes you have some cramps, headache, feverish, and very tired.
With his successful business and his part-time fitness job, Jury felt he was invincible until his body started failing him last year.
I got gastrointestinal flu, an infection. I got thin, I was pale, I wasn't able to teach. I had slight seizures. My immune system got low. I thought I was going to die. I said to myself, Lord, whatever your plan is, I submit it to you. That night, that was my longest prayer in my life. Something miracle happened. The next day, I woke up and slowly I began to heal. All my vital signs are going back to normal.
After his miraculous recovery, Jury rediscovered an all-natural supplement called MX3. It is powered with alpha, beta, and gamma nutrients known to be powerful antioxidants that help support a stronger immune system and battle free radicals that cause diseases.
I joined a Holy Land tour and I was able to meet the people from MX3. They gave me some samples. I started taking it. I felt good. Helped me boost my immune system, brought back my energy, my wellness, sharpness of mind was back to normal again. I was able to sleep well.
MX3 also has anti-inflammatory properties that, based on international clinical studies, help lessen inflammation in certain parts of the body.
So my body pains was lessened. I was more energetic and powerful. My vitality is there, my endurance. And I was able to unleash my power both from my catering business and my body combat classes. I watch my diet as much as possible. I eat fresh organic food. Whatever I cook, I make sure that it's healthy and very nutritious.
And for Jury, being healthy is more than just being concerned with the physical and mental aspects. Its true value is revealed by nurturing one's soul.
The body is our vessel. This is where the Holy Spirit comes in. So before you be able to reach out from other person, you have to take care of your body first. I began to realize life. I become very purposeful. I use my work, my passion to influence other people. For me, MX3 is like fire. Just like in my cooking, fire is very essential to make everything perfect. And at the same time, when I go to the gym, you have to have that drive, that passion to be able to unleash your greatness. And also, you need fire to uplift your spiritual sensibility with Christ. After all, as a person, we're here to become purposeful.
Passion is what makes one successful in life. And love, both physical and spiritual, is what makes a person grateful and generous for whatever this success may bring into our lives.